something you still regret doing till this day? When a drunk homeless man shoved me into oncoming traffic while I was pregnant, my husband did something he will always regret. I knew as soon as I hit the pavement, I had lost our baby. Lying there, bleeding, I called him, sobbing, apologizing like it was my fault. He rushed to the hospital, held my hand, and whispered one thing before he disappeared. It wasn't your fault. My husband had never even heard a fly before. But that day, he snapped. The man who pushed me had run off, but my husband hunted for him, driving through the city for 3 hours until he found him. He confronted him, expecting an apology, maybe even some remorse. But instead, the man laughed. He mocked my husband, sneering, "How does it feel to lose your kid?" And then, with dead eyes, he admitted, drunk or sober, he would have done it anyway. Something inside my husband broke. He saw red. He grabbed the closest thing, a rusted wrench lying in an alleyway, and swung. Once, twice. The man staggered back,